G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean and today we're going to be taking a look at something that you guys have requested, which is the Kmart Anko Bluetooth speaker glasses, which go for $15. Now, if you guys want to support the channel and you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the like button, get subscribed, and let's begin. All right, so let's go through what you actually get for $15. Basically, you get a black pair of glasses with a mirrored lens, connects to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth, USB rechargeable battery. The lens is actually going to give you some UV protection. It says category 3 high sun glare, inline controls on the arm so you can play, pause, and skip tracks, and 2 hours of playtime, supposedly. I'm obviously not going to test that here right now, but that's basically what you get. And considering most glasses cost more than $15, I think this is an absolute bargain. $15, let's actually put these on and see what they actually look like. I'm going to look at myself in the monitor here. I think these are definitely intended more for adults. I think on a child, with a smaller head, these might look a little bit too big and a little bit too insane. But I don't know, on first impressions, I'm not loving the look. I think they look a little bit too big. The frame is a little bit chunky. I mean, they're obviously a little bit thicker up here and a little bit thinner on the frame down the bottom. I mean, I might have to look at this footage back and maybe look at myself in the mirror properly. But it's not the worst. Like I've seen people wearing a lot chunkier glasses. I personally like something a little bit thinner. But these aren't too bad. In terms of comfort, like putting them on, actually they feel pretty good. Like I'm moving my head around a bit and they're not like moving at all. They're pretty much stuck on. So I could see maybe using these, even going for a jog on the treadmill or something. For $15, they actually fit and feel okay, surprisingly. So let's get these paired up with the phone and I'll show you that process, and then we'll play some music and I'll tell you whether or not they actually sound good. All right, so let's get these paired with the phone. To do that, I'm going to show you here on the camera as best as I can, but basically there's a little button which we're going to press and hold, and I don't know if you guys heard that at all, but there's a little sound to say that they're on, a little tone that plays, and then I can see a red and blue blinking light just about there, which is probably impossible to see on the camera, to show that they're in pairing mode. So if we go into the Bluetooth, we should see hopefully in the other devices, we've got an Oppo A91. I don't know if these are Oppo. Maybe I'll just turn off my Bluetooth and turn it back on again. One more time. Maybe they are Oppo. Okay. So we'll tap on, oh no, maybe it's KM. That makes more sense. There's a bunch of things, probably because I'm in an apartment. It's probably picking up things from my neighbors. We'll try KM and see if that one works. Okay, so I just heard a pairing sound from the glasses. It sounds like there's actually a speaker inside. I know that some glasses, they actually like conduct the sound through the arms via vibrations, and that basically goes into the side of your head, and that's how you hear it, which sounds crazy, I know, but definitely I'll leave some links if you want to learn more about how those glasses work. But these ones actually might have a speaker inside. I might have to check that out. So let's put these on. Let's go into some music and let's just play like Beats One Radio or something. And I'll try and hopefully not get a copyright strike. Okay, press play. I don't know where the music's going to come out. Okay, it's loading. It says it's playing, but I'm not hearing anything. Let's see if we can turn the volume up. I can't screen record and play music at the same time, apparently. So let's go back in, choose the Kmart glasses as the output, press play. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear it through this microphone, but I'm listening to music. Okay. I'm at full volume, by the way. It's kind of weird to be listening to something without having anything in your ears. It's kind of a bit strange. Okay. It's basically, I'm just listening to some music now. I don't know if you guys can hear it all, but it's all just completely just treble. There's no mid, there's no bass. And if I take them off, you can feel the arms of the glasses vibrating. And I feel like there's actually a speaker in each of these. Like, I'm gonna maybe take off the inside arm because there is 2 screws and you can do that. But listen, do they do what it says? Does it play music? Yes. Can I change and skip tracks and do all that kind of stuff? Yes. Is there any bass? No. Are there any mids? Basically no. It's all treble. It's all highs. It's going to be good if you're like maybe just listening to the radio, or maybe you're watching the cricket and you're wanting to listen to the commentary. If you're going for a walk and you just want to listen to something, these are going to do the job. But don't expect really, really high quality sound. Like, I've listened to ones from, I think it's Bose, and I think Ray-Ban has a pair now as well. And the Bose ones sound actually like really decent, like really high quality audio. But this just sounds like there is the most tiny speaker in the world inside the arm, and that's basically what I'm listening to. Other people are going to be able to hear what I'm listening to as well, so that's another factor. If you're like sitting in you're in a cricket stand or something, and you're listening to something through these, the people next to you are going to be able to hear that as well. So if you're at the beach though, and you're just like laying down and you just want to like, you know, tan a little bit in the sun, or you just want to like go for a walk on the beach and you're not going to be disturbing other people, these are going to be perfectly fine. I feel like for $15, honestly, I'm just happy that they work. They don't look super stupid. They're rechargeable. They do exactly what they say they're going to do. But yeah, not high quality audio, and you're definitely going to be annoying other people in the room if they're if you're listening to music and you know, they don't want to be, you know, annoyed by what you're listening to. So whether or not you should go out and get them for $15, I would actually say go out there, give it a try. For $15, you haven't got much to lose, honestly. You know, at the end of the day, you've got a pair of glasses at least for $15, regardless of if you use the Bluetooth option at all. And there's a lot of other glasses out there that are just no name brand from the service station that cost a lot more than this. So for $15, I don't know what else I can say. They do exactly what they say on the box. They feel okay. The sound's going to be okay for just, you know, if it's going to be a lot of talking, a lot of vocals, or just listening to the radio, just so you've got something else other than the, you know, the background noise. And maybe better than sticking headphones in your ears and risking like damaging your eardrums, or getting an ear infection or something like that. If you're someone like that is like me and doesn't like to actually put things in your ears, because I've had issues before with like in-ear headphones and it giving me a bit of irritation, these are possibly a really cheap and good option. So that's it. That's all I'm going to say. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you leave it down in the comment section. If you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button, get subscribed. Enjoy your summer, enjoy your Christmas, and I'll see you guys in the next one.